car garage owners. Today I come upon with a video in which I will tell you how to make a job card in a very easy way with Easy Software. So here you can see in the Easy Software they have given you an option of job card. So whensoever you are going to make a job card, whether you are going to do any detailing work, any denting painting work, any detailing one, or any of the mechanical or repairing work, you can make the job card in a very easy way or within the blink of your eyes. So here you can see whensoever you have to make a job card, you first have to mention the name of the client, right? Now, if the person is your old client, then it will be shown here in the drop down. Otherwise, you have to fill the details at once. Afterwards, again, it will be carried out with the software. So here you can see, let's suppose this person of Rajesh has arrived. Okay, so here you can see all the details have been auto-filled once I have selected. The vehicle number, make, model, segment that I have already mentioned. Here you can also mention the year of purchase, the color of the automobile accordingly, the fuel type, and the odometer reading at the time of the service, and the next service date accordingly. Okay. Then you have to mention the service, that which service he have come upon. So here let's suppose the person have came for PPF, right? Either you can also add multiple services at a time. Like let's suppose if there is any detailing, or you can say detailing thing you want to do, or any of the mechanical work is going on, so you can also add any product or a spare part at it. Okay, like let's suppose you want to add a bumper or any other thing, so we can add that. Okay, so as we drop down here, you will get inventory details. So what it is like whensoever the automobile will arrive in those two days, the first thing you guys will be checking would be the fuel level, right? So you can mention that over here. So accordingly, let's suppose the fuel level was certain at 30 or certain level, so you can mention that. And if any of the automobile's part that you guys used to check, let's suppose the exterior body or the tires or the floor and mats or else the engine bay, you can check it or you can mention it so that it will be helpful for your mechanic to see and have a look over which things he have to check about, right? As we drop down here, you will be able to get additional factor or a column where you can mention the client's additional like requests. Like let's suppose if any of the service is being done in the interiors of the automobile, so people usually ask for a perfume on the dashboard. So you can also mention those things as well, like the perfume on the dashboard, so that your customer would be able to notify that which thing he have asked as an extra or add-ons, so your mechanic will be able to see that what extra he have. Okay. Then we have the promise date here. Here you can mention that whensoever you are expecting that the service would be done, you can mention that. Then here would be your company's name or your brand name. Here would be a like service advisor, whosoever is making the job card, his or her name would be there. And here would be whosoever used to inspect the job card after the service payment, his or her name would be there, right? And then you can create that. But cherry on the cake is that you will also get this thing, and this act as a treasure basically. So here it is a client's 360 degree. It will provide you the insights of the clients, that what kind of client it is, what is its behavior, what's a paying behavior, right? So like that. So you can see that it's an active client who used to come here at regular basis. He is paying a good amount to us. So that your concerned bidding person would be able to notify that or would be aware that if you guys are doing any retailing part, right, you guys are selling any car accessories, you guys can upsell that. You can also let the taxes on such person, right? So accordingly. Apart from that, if a person is someone who have arrived after a long, or we can say a person who is a new client of yours. So by looking onto this, you can also give certain discounts as well. So it would act as a magnet to retain your customers, right? So once it is done, so then you can create the job card by clicking on create. And here in the pending job cards, there is a red icon, or you can say a red column. You will get pending job cards. Here you will get all the job cards that you have made till, which are still pending or on which work is going on. So here you can see the latest job card that we have made. Here you will get multiple options. First one will be here. The most useful is the share estimate, which plays the heart role of the software, or you can say in the workshops. So here you can see a pro forma invoice will be given to you, right? Here your company's details and the logo would be there. Here would be your client's details, what the services are, okay, what the total, or you can say the expected amount is, and here would be your add-ons, what extra he asks for. Here you can either print it out, give it to the customer, either, like as we all know now, everything has been digitalized. So you should share the customer from here digitally, either over WhatsApp or SMS. You can send it. You just simply have to click on the share with customer. It will shoot it on to the like concerned person's number. Okay. Apart from that, there is also an option of view and print. It is for your mechanical use, like whichever job card you have to give or provide to your mechanic, your company's details, what vehicle inventories are that he has to check. Then here would be the services, here would be the extra or add-on services he asked for, and here would be the details of the automobile he have to work on. So you can print it out and assign it to your mechanic for it. Okay. Then here is also a very like interesting part, let us update the status. Now here you can notify your client on each stage. Like nowadays, as we all have seen, like many companies like Amazon. Whenever we used to order any object or any product from them, they used to like notify us on each stage whether our like product is shipped, whether it is out for delivery, whether it has delivered. The same way, you guys can also make your clients aware about what's happening with their car right now, right? So that it will establish transparency among you and your client, as well as it will also enhance your professionalism. So here you can see, you can mention that whether the job card has been opened, it has been assigned to the mechanic, now the work is going on, or it has been completed. So accordingly you can do that, and then once the job card has been completed, you can click on the completed button and click on OK, and then you are ready to go with the bill, right? So this was all about how easily you can make a job card using easy software, and it will provide you a really first things or very good options so that you can enhance your business, grow, and you can grab more clients into your workshops. Thank you. Have a good day. I hope this was really a helpful video.